Centrally located in the UK, from a 36,000 square feet state-of-the-art factory in the West Midlands, we offer CNC milling and turning, jig boring, spark erosion, wire erosion, grinding, shot peening, phosphating. We manufacture components of high complexity and value for industries worldwide: oil and gas, nuclear, defence, rail and automotive. Using our SMX machines, we can undertake high precision machining under one setup, saving time and increasing production. Our capabilities include machining items from handheld to those requiring an 8-ton crane, CNC milling of parts 8 metres in length and 2 metres in width to an accuracy of 4 microns, CNC turning up to 1 metre in diameter and 11 metres long, assembly and pressure testing up to 15,000 psi. At MNB, quality is an absolute. Certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 45003, API Q1 and API 7-1. Our work is traceable from raw materials certification to completion. But the jewel in our crown is the inspection department. We can measure components up to 4 metres in length and 3 metres in width with an accuracy of 1 micron. With a proactive approach to customer service, our dedicated teams are empowered to exceed customer expectations. We are committed to providing quality products and a quality service at competitive prices, on time, on budget, and to the exact specification. And as Queen's Award for Enterprise winners, we're proud to deliver truly world-class precision engineering.